dark skin, light skin, medium tongue, sperm ting brave, got mini afros, big lips, got tips, some of us don't, big nose contour, some of us won't, never wanna put us in a video, bro, wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, wanna put pretty in my eye.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan if you're new. In today's video we have a unit that was sent over from Gorgius.com. Today's unit goes by the name of Delicate Mixed 4x4 Lace Balayage Ocean Wave Bohemian Style Wig. This is one of their newer units from their boho collection or either Bohemian collection. I'm not really sure which one it's called, but I mean, same difference, right? This is one of 3 that I'm going to be showing, so just make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you can see the other 2 as well. This unit comes in a caramel brown color in 16 inches. Now I do want you guys to know that right off the bat I did cut about 1.5 inches to 2 inches off of the bottom of the unit. After I washed and conditioned the unit, I wasn't really feeling the ends, so I went ahead and snipped those off. The cap construction of this unit comes with 4 combs in total, 1 in the back, 1 on each side, and then 1 in the very center. It also has adjustable straps and a security band that can be adjusted and or removed if you choose to do so. As stated earlier, this is a 4x4 lace closure unit, so therefore you are going to get 4 inches going straight across and then 4 inches going straight back for the parting space. On the website, there's not a whole lot of specs about this unit. It pretty much just says that it's 100% human hair, it's realistic looking, it can take heat, and it is lightweight. It also says that the cap sizing of this unit is a medium cap size. Now I can't lie, that does have me a little bit nervous because I'm like, is it gonna fit? Is it not gonna fit? Is it gonna be too tight and squeeze me? Like, I don't know, but of course we'll find that out in a minute. Now the knots on this unit, in my opinion, were not bleached beforehand, so I did decide to go in and bleach them myself, and I feel like I did a pretty good job. I will say that the unit did come a little bit pre-plucked, but I did feel like it needed to be plucked just a little bit more. One recommendation I'm gonna recommend right off the bat is that if you choose to pluck this unit, be very careful. I thought that I had only plucked like 1 hole into the lace. No baby, I plucked several holes in this lace, so that's a good thing because then that shows me that the lace is very thin and soft, but just be careful. That's pretty much all I have to say about the unit right now, so let's go ahead and install her, and then of course I'll come back with my final thoughts.
I gave my bro an advance. Love is just not in my plans. Not even taking a chance. Studio right in my yacht. I'm doing 10 in a week. How long I've been on the street? Dream about working my sleep. Okay, I got a lock on the streets. Shout out to T to 3. And he brought it in cause of me. You don't know nothing about me. Life on my brothers is deep. Long as they all on their feet. Long as they pockets is grease. I'm in a penthouse, but still nothing is sweet. Some man down with the pen is the sweet. Taller in person, you see what we meet. I heard your new shit and I'm kissing my teeth. Demons just got out of can. I gave my bro an advance. Love is just not in my plans. Not even taking a chance.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Gorgius. The texture of this unit is a silky texture. She's very soft. She's so silky and soft that low-key, I'm surprised she's holding curls so well. Now, I do understand that the styling of this unit is called Ocean Wave, so therefore, yes, I am expecting the unit to hold curls very well. But you know, when units are like so silky and so soft, it's just like the curls on that unit are gonna drop super fast. That's not happening with this unit. I recurled this unit yesterday afternoon and I didn't add any hairspray like whatsoever, and then I just pretty much left her on my mannequin head. So for me to pull her off my mannequin head, install her, run my fingers through her, run a wide tooth comb through her multiple times, and the curls still be holding on pretty well, I'm impressed. Something that I'm thinking is helping the curls stay intact is the fact that I did go in and cut that 1.5 to 2 inches off the bottom. It's just giving it a very full and healthy look. Speaking of full looking, I would say that the density of this unit is about 150% density. She's very lightweight. I mean, the website did state that, so yeah. Now, as far as tangling and shedding is concerned, I'm not really getting any tangles when it comes to this unit, which is a great thing. But as far as shedding is concerned, I did get some whenever I washed the unit, when I curled the unit, and also when I was combing out the unit. I'm pretty sure the shedding that I got from curling and combing out the unit was from when I plucked the unit. But then again, at the same time, I am expecting some shedding, seeing as how it is a colored unit. Now granted, the shedding that I got wasn't anything to be alarmed about, but I know how some people like to freak out and say, oh my gosh, this is a terrible unit, after they see about 5 to 10 strands come out of a unit. I just want to let you guys know it sheds a little bit. Now speaking of plucking this unit, if you are someone who's very close to my skin tone, I do think that it's very necessary just because of the coloring of the unit. Something that I've noticed is that whenever I have a unit that's this color and I don't pluck the hairline, it will give a very harsh hairline appearance, and I'm trying to avoid that. Also keep in mind that with the coloring of this unit and the fact that it is a 4x4 unit, if the wind does blow, your edges will be exposed. Now as far as the fit of this cap is concerned, I would say that she is average head friendly. She's sitting on my head nicely, don't get me wrong, and she's sitting flat as well, but I just wish it was about 1 inch to 2 inches bigger in circumference. I am someone who is not the biggest fan of glue when it comes to my units. I've tried one glue before and it was okay for the time being, but after a while I was like, I really don't like this glue. But I typically use adhesive spray to attack my units down, but this unit has nothing on it. Now don't get me wrong, I'm loving how it's looking in person, and also I hope it's coming across nice on camera as well. But one thing I will say is that I am afraid that this unit is going to slip back. Now I did decide to go in and use some bobby pins on each side of the unit to add some type of security to the unit, but I don't know, I'm just still a little worried that it's gonna like slip back. I'm sure there's going to be someone who says, well, why don't you use the combs? I'm not a fan of the combs that are in units. I typically only use the one that's in the back. The other 3 or other 2 that are usually in units, I either will cut them out or I just won't use them at all because I don't want my hair to come out. Now if you've been watching the video in its entirety, then you would have seen that after I did the install that I also showed some styles using a cute little scarf. If you choose to order this unit, I'm not really sure if you will receive a scarf as well, and I don't want to lie to you either. But I will say that the scarf does add to the bohemian styling of this unit, and I feel like it's really cute. Lastly, let's go ahead and talk about the price of this unit. On Gorgius.com, she does retail for $179.90, basically $180. But if you use code TAN25, that will save you 25% off this unit, which will then bring it down to $135. If you are someone who's not in the business of paying that all up front at one time, they do offer Klarna and Afterpay, which means you can pay that payment over the span of 6 weeks of 4 equal payments, and that will be, I want to say, $34 each payment. Yeah. But yeah, let me know you guys' thoughts and opinions about this unit down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have direct link to this unit in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.